जो कहीं नहीं देखा वो ढाका में देखने को मिल रहा है। ये हमारे भाईजान है और ये हाल है रेंज का। मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको। 1 घंटे की बारिश में बड़ा मज़ेदार सीन हो गया है ढाका में और थोड़ा सा एडवेंचर तो बनता है और हमें ही नहीं पता पानी कितना गहरा है ये। और हमारे दोनों भाई लोग बैठे हुए हैं। वी विल हैव फन। भाई इंडिया वालों को गिराना नहीं, हाँ आराम से लेके चलने का। बहुत आराम से। आई स्पीक इंग्लिश।
Yes, speak English.
वेरी गुड। व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Litu.
Litu. Litu, please take us safely, huh?
Okay. How many years? Bangladesh.
How many years?
How many
Days.
yeah,
2 days.
only
3 days.
Dhaka.
ढाका 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 ढकी फटाफटी।
Business.
हाँ
Business.
बिजनेस। Very nice and friendly people in Dhaka. They are very helping. They are very helping us with this water.
This area commercial area.
I know. Do you speak good English while you are driving rickshaw?
My job under this tourist guide.
Oh,
This tourist guide. So many Japanese, Akashi, Takuma, Yukari.
you know that? Wow, what's your name?
My name is Litu.
Ritu. Wow. So you work as a tourist guide or tour guide?
Yeah, tourist. Only sightseeing place. This Dhaka. I said many places. You come with me.
I'll take your number, huh? Very good people. This is what I like about Bangladesh. It's a very dynamic country. Starting now, let's see how it goes. भाई आगे नजर रखो आगे। ओके, बहुत धीरे से भाई, बहुत धीरे से लेके जाने का मौका देना मेरे को। वाओ, बहुत धीरे से वेट करते हुए पानी में वी हैव टेकन द डिसीजन कि हम चलेंगे और आई थिंक इट वाज अ गुड डिसीजन। क्या बात है, क्या बात है। I was missing this experience. You remember all these experiences in lifetime.
Of course, yeah.
Thank you, little boy.
Thank you. How are you?
Thank you. आपने बहुत सपोर्ट किया। ओके, 1 मिनट। हाँ,
Sightseeing. So Dhaka.
sightseeing I will do next time.
Tomorrow this Friday. I said many places. You come with me.
Oh yes, I will.
So Pink Palace, Harmonium Church, Star Mosque, National Museum, Liberation Museum, National Assembly. I have many places. You come.
Okay. Where can I find you?
Yeah.
Here only.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Thank you. Bangladesh is one of the most dynamic country. कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी बदल सकता है और we should enjoy every moment. So after that rickshaw ride, it was not even a rickshaw, a good career. Oh, we found a gully, so where we can reach to our place.